What's up, Wanderers? We got the Wander Pup today. If you guys haven't met her, this is Arrow, and today we've got a sweet product from Canvasback. This is their seat cover, and they also have a lot of cool dog products like a leash, tool bag, and also a food and water bowl. So we're going to do a quick install and overview for you guys to check it out. Stay tuned. So this is a complete system for your doors and for your back seats here. So they strongly advise you guys to clean your seats, clean your doors, so that the self-adhesive that comes with the product is able to stick to the doors. Now here's a quick look at the canvas here. As you can see, there's the adhesive. These are the door covers. This stuff is thick, tough quality. This is the backside. I wanted to show you guys the backside of the canvas that goes on your seats. This is like a rubberized pad here, so your dog's not going to scratch through the bottom of this, and this will actually stay in place on your seat, snug and tight. Now Canvasback does make these vehicle specific, so this will be for the 3rd gen Tacoma, but they do have all sorts of vehicles out there. All right, we're gonna come in on the other side and take the adhesive off the back here. Pull this guy where we want it. Make sure that it's all lined up here. And then press that adhesive right on. Line this guy up and press the adhesive on. It took me all of 2 minutes to do both sides here on the door pieces. All right, next we're moving to the seat cover here. It's got these 3 PVC looking pipe guys that'll go right under the seat. So we'll pull this first one up, shove it under that seat there. And then on this side, I don't have any headrest back here, but we do have our Molly panel that we will wrap it through and pull that tight on this side. Come on over to the other side now. Stick those PVC pads in their spots. Put that seat back down. Adjust this guy where we need it. Once again, I don't have headrest, so we're just going to loosen these guys up. Wrap them around my Molly panel here. Pull that guy tight and pull it tight. Next up, we're going to put on the adhesive around the edges so that it's a nice snug fit. All right, next up, we're going to take the adhesive backing off back here. We're going to stretch it down around that seat just like that. We're going to let that sit and go around all of the other edges and sit that right there, so it's a nice snug fit all the way around your seat. Well, there you guys have it on the Canvasback cargo liners. As you can see, we've been up in the woods, wheeling all day, playing with the pup. It's gotten all dirty and everything stayed right in place. The door liners are good, the seat back is good, and it hasn't moved whatsoever. So Arrow enjoys it, we enjoy it. If you guys are wanting 10% off, use code WanderTaco10 till the end of the year, and you can get yourself a custom set of cargo back liners. Until next time, we'll be wandering.